Alright, so we're back down at the shop today, and this thing is finally ready to get put on the plate. So basically we've got a Wain Roy adapter. I got this with a tilt bucket. They actually sell just the adapter. This is the plate off of the VMC cutter, and basically what I'm going to do is just got a little steel rule here. I'm going to get this centered up, squared up. I can get to my bolts on the inside from the back here. This is open. And we're going to get this welded up and hopefully get it on the excavator. And we'll be able to mow then. Anyway, stay tuned. And hopefully by the end of this will all work out and bolt right up to the excavator. We're going to get it tacked up here, and then we'll check our measurements again. Okay, so that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and weld this kind of in stages. I'm probably not going to weld all the interior because it's going to be really hard to get to, but I am going to weld some of it just for added strength. This is not going to go anywhere. For those of y'all that are wondering, this new welding torch that I got makes a huge difference in the welding. Basically brought it back to like new state, mainly because the liner's new and the wire runs through really easily. I'm going to finish up welding this, and we'll try to get it cleaned up a little bit, get it painted, and get it back on the mower. Okay, so I'm decently sure that is not going to come off there. I got it welded all the way around. A couple little strips on the inside. We got the corners tacked. I'm probably going to try to reach up in there and tack the corner if I can, but I don't think it's going anywhere. Alright, so I'm going to call that good. I'm going to kind of get it cleaned up a little bit here and get some paint on it. I had to paint it again, but I just wanted to get something on it to kind of protect it. And I'll go take the other I'll go put this on the brush cutter and we'll try to load it on the excavator. Alright, so that's painted. It won't take very long to dry. It's pretty hot still. See if I can get this paint off my finger before it dries. All right, so we've got it on the Sany. That's full reach, full extension, and way more stable than the John Deere. I will say there's a lot more hydraulic flow coming to this, and it's a really nice setup. If you saw in the video, I opened the return valve. So basically I'm pushing the stick to the left, and there's no action on the right. I've got an operating mode that has no hydraulic flow on the right, because basically the fluid with that valve open, the return's just wide open. It doesn't go back through the spool. That's why you see that spinning up really fast, and it continues to spin. It's just amazing how much more stable that is. The mount worked out pretty good. Got it all welded up and attached to the machine. Overall, really happy. So as you can see, it's a little wet to be mowing today. I'm gonna do a little bit of test mowing, but I'm not gonna video it because it's gonna be pretty dirty. But this is a VMC. This is a 42 on a Sany SY35U SY35U, and overall I'm really happy. This turned out really well. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.